Alright guys, I'm running game 1121, Transformers number 1 for Jason Eldridge. Stamp. (25th of October) at 9:10, and it's 25th of October just ticked over to 9:11 here in Perth, WA. The list at 90 is Dak at 90, up to number 1, which is Tim. Done that already. Tim at number 1, 90 Dak. Let's roll the dice. 3 dice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice short one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, good luck everyone. Contact Jason when you've seen this. 1. 90 items. Good work, mate. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Count that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second last. And last roll. Good luck everyone. Alright, so that's been done 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So who the winner is Selby. Congrats, mate. Contact Jason when you've seen this. 90 items there. Back down here 7 times. Selby with spot 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Timestamp there is 9:12, and it's 9. Just ticked over to 9:13. A little bit of a delay, but we're all good. Thanks everyone. Yeah.